Ready to take your automation to the next level? More speed, less downtime, greater flexibility, and full control.
Meet SIG300, the smart, user-friendly IO-Link master that makes your automation effortless.
Adding and managing sensors has never been easier with its intuitive web UI and integrated logic editor. It can even handle control tasks on its own, reducing the load on your central control units. SIG300 fits right into diverse automation environments, ensuring fast and reliable data exchange between operational level and IT systems. Obtain real-time insights into your operations and achieve unmatched process transparency. Track the status of your sensors, machines, and set up alarms for critical conditions or sensor maintenance. No more complex setups, no more integration headaches, but more efficiency and adaptability for your processes. SIG300. Unlock the full potential of your automation.